Hello and welcome back to Ribotech. Today we are reviewing this third-party head strap for the Oculus Quest 2. Just before we start, I'm getting really close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could subscribe, that would be amazing. Drop a like on the video and comment, tell me what you think of this strap. There's no unboxing for this strap because it literally comes in this clear bit of plastic. So I'll show you how to install it. Alright, so let's get it on the headset. First thing we need to do is take the stock one off. If you do it from the bottom, pull these little tabs off. Like that. And do the other side the same. So both sides are off. And then we can take the actual top of the head strap off. Which is just undo the Velcro and pull it through. The last bit with the Velcro on can be a bit tough to get through, but it's fit. We can get rid of that strap, hopefully forever. Right, so these have rights and lefts on them. There's no instructions that come with this. So we'll put, I presume that our face is upwards. I'll clip it out from the top. Oh, that was quite tight to get on, but it's on. Put the left one on now. Alright, it's a bit hard to do it with the camera in the way. Right, so left and right are on. Then we have these smaller tabs, which I'm presuming attach them together somehow. So it looks like we've got little clips in there. Ah, okay, I think I've got it. You got the winder at the back. That should, yeah. I'll just do them out quite far for now. So my guess is that goes on there, and then get the left one. And it's got two little tabs there, two little holes at the top and bottom there. So I'm guessing that just clips over the top. It's a bit fiddly. Alright, there you go, the left one's on. I'll do the same with the right. The one tab does stick out more, so if you put that one in first, which is the bottom one, it's a lot easier to get the top in after. And then you have to push this bit down as well. Alright, there we go, that's all connected. So we've got the top of the head strap. That can just loop, well actually I'll take this facial interface off to be a little bit easier. That will loop from the underneath, pull through. I'm just going to guess where I need it for now. And there we go, that's on. Put this back in now. Bottom's in. And the top. And there we go. It's on. Let's test it out. Just a few quick pointers before we get to actually testing it out. This back padding is Velcro. So if that does get sweaty, you can take it off, wash it, put it back on, which is always helpful. In terms of build quality, it is a fairly cheap build quality, but still pretty solid, so it's not going to break. In terms of installation, it could have been quite a lot easier to install. It was a little bit fiddly putting these side clips on. I think that's about it. Let's test it out. Initial comfort, I can feel it slightly touches my ear, just here. It's not like putting pressure on my ear or whatever, it's just touching, so I can live with that. Obviously, got bigger ears, different head size, different part of it might touch, but for me personally, it's pretty sound. I do like having the ratchet knob at the back to make it looser or tighter. Obviously, I've never had that because I use the CV1 and then the original Quest 2 strap, which was yeah. Right, so I'm just gonna go have a few goes in some games and see what it's like. I actually think it's better. It's slightly clearer because it holds the headset in place a lot better than the original strap does. Let's have a quick go Let's play Hyperdash. If you haven't played Hyperdash, it's actually a really good game. It's only available on side quests. I've only played a few games, but I like it so far. Quick play. There you go, got a kill. Kill. Another kill. It's a very fast-paced game this is, but it's really good. Kill. God. That was a good little streak there. Oh no, that was terrible. Ah, oh, nearly got out of there. Kill. Reload. Ah. Alright, so let's try a different game. Obviously got to play a bit of Beat Saber. Wouldn't be a Robotech video if it didn't. Right, I'm going to try doing Fitbeat, so I can move around. So with this song, I really want to test it when I'm squatting up and down and moving left to right. I had to plug in because my battery was nearly dead. Ah, wrong one. Alright, so from doing that song, moving left, right, crouching. I can feel it. The very bottom of the strap here that doesn't quite touch your head, does like, when you move it up and down, just sort of pulls my hair up. It's not the end of the world, but tiny bit annoying. Obviously, that depends on your hairstyle. That is the only thing I can think of. Like, if you look all the way up, this very back bit does touch the back of your neck. Obviously, once again, depends how long your neck is or whatever. But in terms of it fitting well, it's perfect, to be honest. Keeps the headset very secure to your face. It's like quite hard to move. If anything, it also pulls it closer to your face than the original strap. Futon 42, are you a subscriber? Alright, quick game, population 1. And I would have played the headset for about 40 minutes-ish, half an hour, 40 minutes. Alright, we're heading for that blue. Alright, see you guys around here. Oh my god. I am far too out in the open. I'm screwed. Run. Desperately need a gun. I hope there's no one around here. Oh my god. I've got a life hack about this strap as well. Because this back bit doesn't actually touch your head, well, it doesn't touch mine anyway, you can Velcro or cable tie or however you want to attach a portable battery to it. So I've turned something that's sort of a disadvantage to the strap into an advantage. It was actually my dad's idea because he's got the same strap, so thank you. If you use these Velcro straps or even cable ties, might even be better. It's on there quite solid, like it's not really going to come out. And even if it does, I've used one of these detachable cables. So even if it pulls the whole thing down, it's not going to damage the USB-C port. It will just pull off. It's just magnetic. And then obviously just leave yourself enough slack to be able to tighten it and loosen it. Alright, so my final impressions of this head strap. Things that I like about it. It's got the removable back foam, so you can wash that. I like having the dial on the back to get the headset nice and secure on your face, which works very well. It literally doesn't move anywhere, no matter what game you're playing. As you've seen, I played that Hyperdash, that's moving around a lot. With the original strap, the headset would have moved on my face slightly, even with it tightened. Obviously, Beat Saber, going up and down, playing Fitbeat song, perfectly fine. And then that one game of Ready Player One where I'd done absolutely horrendous. It didn't move whatsoever. It's also very comfortable compared to the original strap. I don't get as much pressure here now. It's more on top of your head, which I prefer, because obviously the top of your head's a lot harder than this bit here. Things I don't like, this bit doesn't really touch your head, and then it can scrape the back of your head and just annoy your hair a bit when you go down and up. Depending on your head, if you're looking up as far as you can, it does touch the back of your neck slightly. That weren't too much of an issue for me. Plus, you don't look directly up too much in VR. Well, I don't anyway. As a bonus, you can attach a battery to it quite easily, and you've got plenty of room. The installation's a bit fiddly, putting these clips on. I think they could have improved that quite a bit, but do I recommend it? For the price, you can pick them up from anywhere from £25 to £35, depending on where you buy it from. So if you go like AliExpress, you can get it for like £25. eBay will be in between 30, about 30-ish, and then Amazon, generally a bit more expensive, so in between 30, 35. I'll put links to all three. It's under a few different name brands, but do I recommend it? Over the stock strap, yes. I can't compare it to any other straps because unfortunately I don't own any other straps. Obviously, if you can get it for £25, it's a steal. £35, that's when you're a bit more like, yes, it is worth it. But if you can get the Elite strap, I would say that's probably going to be better considering the reviews that I've watched. But it's a very good alternative considering it's out of stock everywhere now, the Elite strap. If you're looking for another video to watch, I've got a review on this AMVR facial interface. I've got a review on some ear muffs from AMVR as well. Both sent to me for free, but the reviews are completely honest as usual. As I said, I'm getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button down there. It's free. Drop a like on the video and comment. Let me know if you would buy this or you have a different head strap you would prefer. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.